Hello friends, you are welcome in KM video. Today we are going to learn English question set which is useful for English conversation. Fill in the blank with your own information. मोकळ्या जागी स्वतःविषयी माहिती भरा. So let's start set number 9. Question number 1. How old are you? Answer. I am dash years old. Question number 2. How tall are you? Answer. I am dash centimeter tall. Question number 3. How much is your weight? Answer. My weight is dash kilogram. Question number 4. What is your birth date? Answer. My birth date is dash. Question number 5. What is your mother tongue? Answer. My mother tongue is dash. Question set number 10 coming soon. Please wait. If you like video, please share, comments and subscribe KM video for new educational videos. To get notification of new videos, press bell icon. Thank you.